Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO S17 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and then simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the history. And here we've got the list of all previously visited websites, and of course you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to the specific website. However, let's be honest, if in your case this list is really long, it is not the most efficient way to remove it manually. So let's simply tap on Clear Browsing Data, which is at the top of the list. And here we've got some options like browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked, and I will remove everything. So let me mark everything. We can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days or all time. It's up to you. Simply tap on the option and tap on Clear Data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed the browsing history, the browsing data. Alright, so that would be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.